How to get different shields in Monopoly Go. Hi everyone, this is Susan from Create, Login and Delete, and now let's get started. First of all, open Monopoly Go application on your phone. Here we go. Now at the top you can see 3 shields icon. Just tap on it. Now over here you can view your shields. So currently at the moment I just have one type of shield, but if you want to gain different and various type of shields, what you can do is you have to check if there is any type of event going on, if it's weekly event, daily event, or even seasonal event in Monopoly Go. So you can earn shields from playing different tasks and quests from the event. And if you want to know more about the shields, tap on the exclamatory mark on the top left corner, and over here you can see information about shields, how you can earn shields, and also how you can protect your city from various attacks using various shields. So that was it for today, and I hope this video was helpful and informative. Also, thanks for staying with us till the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.